See, if the guy is from marketing or MBA, worthy, we say worthy, right? Like the money we give, is it the worth or not? Or simply ROI, okay, return on investment. Okay, if you want return on investment, you want more return on investment, join EdYoda.
Okay. So again, if I ask you in summary, top 3 things that you liked about the placement journey at EdYoda, what would it be?
Okay, as usual, what I said earlier is the way you are improving the portal, the first thing, and the way Seamonth replies to all our queries in Teams. Like whenever we ping Seamonth, even at night times, he replies about the placements and all. And the other part is the transparency over the job and the job description.
So coming to like you were from a different like non-tech background, and you have actually worked in a non-tech industry, and now you
Yes.
know in tech industry also like the work, how does it work? So what do you think is the difference actually?
I'm not sure this makes a difference, but in non-IT there are no strict timings and all. I'm not so sure about this question. But what led me to IT is I want to be an IT guy. That's it. It made me take that.
You had that aspiration ki I want to
Yes.
work in IT. That is why you
Yes.
shifted your from even studying MBA, you wanted to study coding and get into the IT job.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. So now, if suppose we go back in time, okay. Now we are going to meet Premsai, who still hasn't joined EdYoda. He's still not sure whether he has to join or not. What would you give the advice? Because now you have already done the program, you have got placed also. What advice would you give to yourself?
Okay. First, let myself check in LinkedIn for those who are placed to EdYoda firstly, and I have to contact them. See, even EdYoda people don't know whom we will contact. Okay, based on the reviews of your alumni, I will join EdYoda first thing. And then what we say is there are 2 sessions initially, and I loved those sessions too. The way the tutors are and the way the classes are going on, and according to my requirement, I have to learn after 6. I have a time after 6, or else before 9 o'clock in the morning. So and considering my timings, it's the best.
And like final, suppose someone comes to you now and like they are still not sure ki EdYoda should join or not. One line advice, what would you give them?
See, if the guy is from marketing or MBA, worthy, we say worthy, right? Like the money we give, is it the worth or not? Or simply ROI, okay, return on investment. Okay, if you want return on investment, you want more return on investment, join EdYoda. If you don't care about return on investment, you can join anything else. I don't say you should join here. If it's a BTech or engineering guy, for them I can say it as nothing is better than this.
All right, like very nicely put. Like now we know you have done MBA because ROI, you have used the terms and you have actually said this is the money you are putting, this is the output you will get.
Yes.
All
yes.
right. So super, Premsai. And it was great talking to you. Thank you so much for coming here and sharing your story here with all of us. And I wish you all the best for your career, that whatever goals you have, whatever you are trying to achieve, you are able to achieve it and go even more further.
Yeah, thank you, Rishabh. And I feel the same.
And before we finish this video, there are 3 lines that I would ask you to say. The first line will be, please do click on that like button if you found this video useful. Second line will be, please do share this video with your friends. And third line will be, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So over to you, Premsai.
First thing is, like the video, share this video if you find useful with your friends, and subscribe the channel by pressing the bell icon.
All right, great, Premsai. So with that, we'll be coming to the end of this video. So before we finish, we'll just tell everyone bye-bye. And thank you so much for watching.
Bye everyone, and thank you so much for watching.